Hey everyone, we're back at it again. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, wait a minute, is this another project? Why, yes it is. But seriously, this is just a really quick and fun, easy project that you can do. It's really great for gift giving. So, with your work area ready to go, you want to grab a tile. And I'm going to grab a paper towel, put my tile on my paper towel. So my tile is ready to go. Included in your kit are some vinyl shapes, okay? So you get to choose which of these vinyl shapes you want to use. I like hearts, so I'm going to go with the heart. You're going to notice that there's a border here and then there's the inside of the heart, okay? You can use both of these pieces. You can use the outside here and then you'll paint in the heart, or you can use the heart that's inside and you'll paint around it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to peel my heart off the inside and I'm going to just place it down on my tile, just like a sticker, and rub it down really well, especially around the edges. I want to minimize the ink that can go underneath this sticker. Now that my image is on there, it's time to go crazy with our ink, y'all. So you can use any of the techniques that you learned in this kit with the HU Crafty Club this month. Getting my gloves on. Got my inks, my alcohol inks. I'm just gonna speed up the video now as I decorate this, and I'll be back when I'm done. Alright, so now that we're finished decorating our tile, we're going to let this sit and dry for a couple hours. And then we'll be back to finish it up. Alright, so my tile has been drying for a couple hours now. I like how it came out. It looks really cool. So we need to get this vinyl off of the tile. So if you have tweezers, you can use some tweezers. Or you could try to use a fingernail, but you want to try not to scratch, because you can scratch the surface of the alcohol inks. We just want to get this off, so very carefully. Alright, there we go. I got it. So now I'm going to peel. If any of your inks got underneath of your sticker, your vinyl sticker, whew, it's on there tight, then you can take a Q-tip and clean it up. But I think we're good. If this is still sticky, you can put it back onto your paper and try to save it for another use if it didn't rip or anything. Okay, so at this point, what we would do next is we would take our spray and go ahead and spray over this to seal it. So to seal it, we'll use our Kamar varnish. We make sure that we have on our gloves, our face mask, and our eye protection. We'll shake our can, and then we'll do short, quick bursts right over top of our tile. We're going to do this, let it dry for 2 hours, and then come back and add a second coat. Once you have sealed it, then you can put it on a little easel and set it on your counter as a piece of art. Or you could turn it into a coaster. And the way that you do that is you would flip it over and you can add little feet. These little feet right here, you add these to the bottom of your coaster and that will give it something to stand on. If you're going to make it a coaster though, you're going to need a few more supplies that's not included in your kit. So I just want to put that out there. We recommend using 1 or 2 things. There is a clear spray paint called Triple Thick, or get yourself a clear sealant that has UV protection. After the varnish has been dried, then you would coat it with that, and then go ahead and add your adhesive felt pads on the bottom.